moon's gravity on Webb is also still a thing, and it's constantly varying as it orbits Earth. It turns out that these real-world complications can be addressed by simply taking up a large orbit around L2. But how is it possible to orbit something that isn't there? I mean, L2 is still an empty point in space. Well, to help us understand better, let's look at the problem by considering some of the forces acting on Webb. If Webb were actually at L2, it would be feeling gravitational forces from the Sun and from Earth. So let's draw them separately so that we can keep track of them. Now, Webb is orbiting the Sun at the same time, so we can also imagine a centrifugal force pulling Webb in the opposite direction. Now, the great thing about L2 is that at this distance, the centrifugal force is exactly balanced by the gravity of the Earth and Sun. Now, you may have heard that there's no such thing as a centrifugal force, and that is correct. But we are talking about a rotating, non-inertial frame here, so centrifugal forces are still a useful way of summarizing all of the real effects that are going on. Oh, and we're not going to worry about the gravitational effects of the moon or even the fact that the sun and the earth are not point sources. We're just going to keep everything simple for the time being.